Are we live on TikTok? Hey TikTok, all my people. Please give me a thumbs up.
Okay, bro, we are live.
Hello, 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 hello. YouTube, TikTok, we live. Facebook, we are live as well. So, guys, we're gonna be talking about Ethereum Merge. Today is the first day of the month, and we want to speak to you guys specifically about the Ethereum Merge. What's the thoughts? What's the sentiments? What's going to be happening? Do you guys feel that it's going to be a good factor for Ethereum? Is it going to be a bad one? I would love to hear what you guys think. Will the price go up? Will the price go down? This is on the tips of everybody's tongue. This is on the mindset. Everybody's skeptical or not, wondering whether or not the price of crypto is going to go up or the price is going to go down. I think that's the most important thing. We all believe most probably that this is a good thing for Ethereum to obviously lower gas fees and to make speedy transactions, etc. So on a merge level, it's much better for them. But from a level of the token price, what do you guys predict? Please write for me right now. What is your prediction in the comments? If you can write in the comments or shout me out exactly what you think your prediction of Ethereum is going to be, and we'll go through it as we're speaking on this live. If you guys have any questions about what my thought processes are, or you want to touch base with me, or you want to go on a live stream with me, please follow us and subscribe and write us a message in our DMs on this video, on any other video. Let's jump on a chat together, and we can see if we can pull that off and bring some of you guys into this live stream that we're going to be doing constantly every month. This is something important. We're going to be doing this more regularly. More importantly, just speaking about cryptocurrency, the news, what's popping, what's happening, what's going down, what's going up, what's my predictions, what's my sentiments, what you guys think, what's actually happening, and just keeping you updated on the crypto markets overall. So let's dive straight into it right now. So guys, what is Ethereum Merge? So Ethereum Merge, they're merging, obviously they want to make more speedy transactions, and they want to cut their gas fees. So everybody who's been on Ethereum, anybody that's minted NFTs or anything like that, they know that the gas fees on Ethereum is one of the highest. And this is one of the downfalls of Ethereum and why they are lagging a little bit, and that's why other chains are being used more often. If Ethereum didn't have such a high gas fee, you will have a lot more adoption, a lot more minting, a lot more NFTs, etc., because the gas fees would be much lower and sometimes a bit more scalable for the NFT especially. I don't know if you guys have ever minted an NFT or bought an NFT, but the gas fees are super high. And sometimes not very, depending on the time, the specific times, the prices go up and down, etc., etc. So what is this merge going to do? So firstly, is it going to be a positive or a negative? For Ethereum, guys, there is a potential for the Ethereum network, for it as a merge, they're doing something better for Ethereum. So as a company, as a business, this is going to help them to more faster transactions in shorter amounts of time and lower gas fees. So for them as a company, it's actually very good news. But my problem or my issue and my concerns and your concerns and everybody in the world, their concerns is very simple. Is the price of Ethereum going to go up in value, or is it going to go down in value? Is this merge positive for the coin price, or is it detrimental to the price of the token? So the actual token price. So it only can pan out one of two ways. Let's be honest with each other. One of two ways. It can go very, very high, meaning that that's what everybody wants, is obviously that this merge comes in and being absorbed by the market sentiment, mass adoption, more people using Ethereum because it's cheaper and faster, which supply and demand states that if that's the case, then the price of Ethereum is going to go up in value, and everybody's going to have an Ethereum wallet and Ethereum token in their wallets, and that would increase the price of Ethereum. That's on a good level, on the upper level, that we want to happen. Everybody wants this to happen, right? Everybody believes that this should happen. On the reverse side, because of these faster transactions, it could go negatively for the token, and the price of the token gonna drop, and less people will use this because the price dropped in value, so they're not going to use the chain more because the price of the token price dropped. So they're not going to hold Ethereum token, and that will make the price of the token fall. That's the secondary point. So it either would go up in value or go down in value. One of the two. This is the market sentiments, this is the potential, this is the fundamental analysis and technical analysis. That's what's happening currently on the trends. You will see panic buying as well, so you'll see a big fluctuation in the price. I've been on many different assets and I've seen a lot of up and down, up and down, up and down, or massive explosion up or down. Traders are going to be holding on for dear life. That I can tell you. If you're a trader, you're going to be, and you do a trade during this merge, good luck to you. Really good luck to you, because it's pretty much flipping a coin, because even though it might be positive for the token, the price can fall. So even though that more people are using the token, because of a merge, you get a big dumping of the token, and that could drop the price of the token. So you still, in opposite sentiment, you can lose money if you go the wrong way as well. If you go short, you can lose all your money. So these are the two options you have, obviously, to go long or go short. I would love to know from you guys, what are you doing? What's your prediction? Do you think the price will go up? Do you think the price will go down? Tell me what you think. Tell me if you're going long or short. Tell me if the price would move up or down. And I would like to know if you've got any open trades currently, and how soon or how late you're getting to the market. Now, if you want to go long or short, the right way, or the option for you and you want to trade this volatile situation. So this is going to be volatile. No matter what anybody says, it's going to go through the roof, up, down, up, down, pump all the way and drop all the way, and it's going to be fun for me in any event. I like that type of excitement. Volatility breeds profits. But from an investment level, from a trade level, do you believe that that's an option for you? Do you believe that that's a good opportunity for you? And if you're going to get into it, would you predict that the price will go up or down? And how do you trade it? So from a trading perspective, you probably want to get into the asset before the market goes, before the merge happens, to get in a bit earlier on the volatility, whichever direction you're going to go. So whether you're going to go up or down, you can go long or short, it doesn't really matter. So you should look at that as an opportunity and choose to get in earlier before the merge, so you can get in on a very good price point. That's the one thing. The second thing, do not do it emotionally. Pretty much follow your trade, follow your strategy, and make sure you put a very tight stop loss, and not so not so tight, if I'd say. Why? Because if it's too tight, it's just going to hit the stop loss, the position going to close, and then you're not going to have any more opportunity right there. Or if you got a opposite trade coming on, it's just going to hit stop loss, open and close trade, etc. because of the volatility. Expect the volatility, expect it to reach highs and lows of massive movements in that asset class, because this is going to create lots of pump and dump and up, and institution money get into it. Now the other aspect, institution money meaning the Black Rocks of the world are going to put in stupid amounts of money, flooding into the market or getting out of the market, because their sheer volume of buying and selling is going to create panic buy or sell, or it's going to create a bear or a bull run for a very short period of time. It's just going to create a lot of volatility, which you guys can get into. So a lot of opportunity, a lot of potential, and a lot of risk, if I would say. On the secondary part, what you could do is buy and hold the token. So if you feel that the price is going to go up in value because of this merge, you can buy and hold the token. If you guys are doing that strategy, please write it in the comments. I would love to hear how many of you guys are actually buying and holding the token. I want to know from you if you're buying and holding. If you're buying and holding, please give me a thumbs up and say I'm hodling. All right? Meaning that you buying in at a low, believing that the price is going to go up and up and up and up and up. Now, there is another aspect, right? And this aspect is very simple, and it's because of everybody in a fundamental space. Everybody is rooting for Bitcoin to go down a little bit more. So everybody is expecting a big drop in Bitcoin and then a pump up. Now, will this affect the merge? Will this affect Ethereum? This is a very, very fundamental point. Do you guys believe that it will affect Ethereum price action and the merge? Meaning that if Bitcoin falls, but though the merge was happening, the price of Ethereum is going to overtake Bitcoin. Meaning that it's going to, for a space of time, break the correlation. Now, there is something called a market correlation between all cryptocurrencies. And I'm going to give you this little bit of insight. If you look at the price of Bitcoin, and when it goes up, you'd have seen most tokens follow the correlation and go up in value. On the reverse, you see that sometimes when the price goes down on Bitcoin, every other token goes down in Bitcoin, and they move on bigger proportions, on bigger percentages per day movement than Bitcoin does, more times than none. So I've seen like 15-10% drops on Ethereum, and I've seen 8% up the next day, and a big volatility play on it. So that's the common play that happens generally. You probably looked at the markets, it's always a red day or a green day, etc. Now, in specific scenarios, you get the price of this cryptocurrency or a cryptocurrency because of fundamental analysis, because of project achievements, because there's more opportunity on a specific token. You will see a small break in correlation, meaning that it's going to do the opposite to the trend of every other token. So example, if you invested in Bitcoin, Bitcoin's falling, all the other tokens are falling, you have seen that Avalanche goes up in value at that point, or Shiba Inu goes up in value. Why? Because there was a fundamental aspect that made a difference in that play. And what was that? Maybe Elon Musk, maybe anybody in the world talking something good about it or something bad, and it creates a reverse trend, if I'd say. And this is what I am looking for in Ethereum. So if that happens, you're going to get a opposite side of the market. It's going to break the correlation, and it's going to actually, what everybody is stating, that Ethereum is going to overtake Bitcoin in market cap, etc. And that would be one of the points that it would do that. Why? Because it's going to do opposite, because of the positive energy, because of the investor confidence, because all the fundamental analysis, technical analysis is going the opposite way. More people are investing because the merge, because there's mass adoption of Ethereum, because there's more people using Ethereum smart chain, and everybody's on Ethereum. It could break the correlation, and if it does that, then Ethereum's going to go higher than Bitcoin market cap. And this is the prediction, this is what everybody is feeling. If that happens, wow, massive, massive, massive achievement for Ethereum. I think that would be a game changer for the world. So I am pro Ethereum. I love Ethereum. When Ethereum came out with the NFTs, jumped on the bandwagon. Why? Because I believe in it. I believe in the Ethereum smart chain. These guys know what they're doing. A lot more utility to the token. It is an altcoin and there is utility to it. So it's mass adoption on a much higher level than Bitcoin. I'm not saying Bitcoin is bad. I also love Bitcoin. I also like to invest in Bitcoin. But this is one of the tokens that we look at to invest in. So these are the couple scenarios we're looking at. These are the different plays, if I would say, on how to invest this actual merge. I hope to see if you guys have any other pointers on what you guys are doing. Be careful on your stop loss because that's going to be a real big mess up on the volatility point. I've seen fundamental points when the news comes out, like mergers, etc. I've seen a lot of volatility and people get wiped out because they stop out and then it goes in the direction that they should have, meaning that they put two trades in opposite direction, it gets stopped out and etc. So those are the 3 or 4 different ways to invest this asset class. Be careful, volatility breeds profits. And if you a swing trader like me, we just buy and hold and we watch the trend moving along. Myself personally, I love volatility. I love this market. I love mass adoption. I believe that for Ethereum, whether or not the price of the token goes up or down, this is a massive achievement for Ethereum. You guys at Ethereum, we love you guys. You guys are doing an amazing job for mass adoption. I am pro cryptocurrency. I'm looking for mass adoption. I'm looking at how it's going to evolve and going to go into the new era, the new ice age. If I would say the ice age is going to be gone and we're going to, mass adoption, evolution of finance, all of this good stuff is going to happen. And this is why I love Ethereum, because they're going to be one of the players, if not most in the forefront of it, but they're going to be one of the players. Obviously, there are going to be loads of different tokens coming and going as this ecosystem grows. We want this mass adoption because it helps countries, it helps people, it obviously decentralization, regulations, the blockchain obviously makes notes, everything's smart contracts, everything's auditable, everything's reputable, everything's tracked and traced. There's no way to lose anything because there's no, breaking transmission. Everything's on a smart contract, so everything is written. There's history. You can see which wallets went where was the NFTs. So much more better and more transparent than what people think. People think that this is a negative thing. People think that cryptocurrency is a scam, but cryptocurrency is one of the most traceable, trackable, has the most detail. It's actually like a ledger. It's actually taking accountable of every single thing that's happening on that coin, at that token at any point in time. It's taking the contract, it writes it out and it makes an audit, or it makes a history of what actually happened at that point in time. So it actually has more visibility and more clarification for people who want to use it. Every country in the world is mass adoption right now. Banks, governments, blockchain is the future, guys. Whether you like it or not, whether you want to get on it or not, whether you think that this is not happening. Back in the day, I would say to you, skepticism. Right now, no way that this is going anywhere else but the top. This is going all the way to the top, whether you like it or not. This is going to be the .com era. This is going to be the Uber. This is going to be in the forefront of technology, and it's going to be a big dimension shift in what people think about the internet, Web3, NFTs, blockchain, cryptocurrency, metaverse. This is what's happening right now. If you guys think that otherwise, please write in the comments. I want to know from you if you think that this is not happening and you don't believe that's the case. Because it's like, if you look at what's going on in the news, you look at countries adopting it, you see football players using it, you see you can buy properties with it, you see banks using it, governments using blockchain, big investment into it as well. Look at the UAE, mass adoption. These are the things that you need to get into the picture and understand where is it going, whether or not it's going to be beneficial for you guys. If you're on it or not, would love to know. If you want to make generation wealth happen, if you're worried about your future, if you're worried about finance, if you're worried about money, this is an opportunity for you. I'm sure you guys have seen on the news, I'm sure you guys have seen everywhere in the world what's happening with cryptocurrency and what people have been doing with it, how successful they've been. I would like you guys to be on my journey and be on the journey of success. Buy yourself some freedom and live a better life where you can give more time to your family and better opportunities for yourself. If you want better opportunities and you do not know how and you think it's too complicated, that's why TPL was founded. This is why we are here, because we want to help you, guide you, teach you, train you, drill, rehearse, show you the way, make sure you're on the right level. And if you can't do it, we can help you obviously through TPL token as well. We're launching our TPL investment opportunities. Please join us on that as well. We've got so much of good things coming out for you in the future. Please join us on TPL. Like, follow, share, subscribe. If you've got family members who want to know more, if you want to get some more one-on-one time with myself, please DM me. I'm always available. I want to chat to you guys. I want to know more about what you guys do so I can help you every step of the way. I want to learn if you've got something to teach me about. And I want to teach you guys what I know about as well. So it's one big family, and we want to help you guys through this journey of mass adoption of cryptocurrency throughout the world. Thank you guys for joining TPL. This was our live for the day, and we're going to be doing more and more of this. We're running short for time right now, but I'm going to come back to you guys on the next video in the next couple of days. Thank you guys. Take